Hello, my dear students. Today, our topic of discussion is classification of elements given by important, prominent scientists starting from Dauvergne, Luthermeyer, Newland, and finally, the main classification, basic classification given by Russian scientist Mendeleev. And the Mendeleev's table was modified by Mosley, and today we are following and we are using, we are referring the modern periodic table, which depends on the modern periodic law, which states that the properties of elements are the periodic functions of their atomic numbers, because earlier it was atomic mass. Now today we are using atomic number because from J.J. Thomson's experiment, it is what it was concluded that atom is divisible, and in that electron was the most important particles among the three fundamental particles of an atom, because electronic arrangement, electronic number, electronic atmosphere, which decides the properties. Therefore, we have taken the electronic number or the atomic number is the most important criteria or the basis for the classification of elements, along with one more important factor, that is known as what? Grouping of similar elements. Okay. So today we are going to discuss some important questions from the what periodic table of periodic table, which are very important, and totally three types of questions will come in the examination. One is a very short answer type, VSA, short answer type, SA, okay, long answer type. So today our topic of discussion on the modern periodic table is what? So we are discussing some selected very short answer type questions. Okay. So once again, I welcome you all for today's session on very short answer from periodic table. Yeah. Question number 1. Indicate the elements which belong to the same group from their atomic numbers as 9, 17, 24, 30, 35 and 45. So question is indicate the elements which belong to the same group. That means they belongs to which group? So for this, what we have to do? We have to write down the electronic configuration, because in a group we know that they possess same type of what? Valence electronic configuration. Okay, right. So the first what? This is what? The first atomic number is 9. So if you go as per the KLMN theory given by Niels Bohr, it is 2, 7. Okay, K will take 2 and L will take 7. Outermost shell contains 7 electrons. That means valence electrons are 7 in this. What about the second one? It is 17. 17 electrons. So K equal to 2, L equal to 8 and M equal to 7. It is 2, 8, 7. Please compare this with the previous one. The previous one was a 2, 7 and the present one is what? 2, 8, 7. That means they have the similar valence electronic configuration. That means they belong to one group. That group is what? That group is halogen group. Okay, halogen family. Okay, halogen family's group number is what? It is group 17th. 18th was what? 18th is noble gases. So just before the noble gas, whatever family comes, that family is called what? Halogen family. Halo means what? Salt formation. So from this group, we expect best salts. Okay, chlorides, bromides, iodides, all those are the best salts of the modern periodic table. Therefore, all these members belongs to the group 17, that is the halogen group or the halogen family. Next question. Arrange the following in decreasing atomic size. This he has asked from the periodic trends. Okay, in atomic size. Okay, right. What is first one? Sodium, magnesium, and the potassium. Question is a decreasing atomic size. So from higher what size should decrease, higher to lower, more to what more to less. Okay. Sodium, magnesium, and the potassium. So sodium, magnesium comes in the second period, whereas the potassium comes in the third period. Okay, atomic number is 19. Okay, soon after the noble gas, 19th is the potassium and 20th is the calcium. Therefore, calcium has the largest size among the three. So this will come first. Then next small is what? Next small is then sodium, magnesium belongs to the same period. Okay, but the you have to see the place or the position. Magnesium belongs to the second group and the sodium belongs to the what? First group. When you move from, that means magnesium is to the right of the sodium. Okay, so when you move from sodium to magnesium, that means you are moving from left to right. When you move from left to right, what about the atomic size? Atomic size either constant or decreases. So this is more, this is less. So potassium first, next sodium, next is magnesium. That is given here. Okay, right. So here in this combination, nitrogen, fluorine, and the oxygen. Nitrogen, fluorine, and the oxygen, which has got more size. So nitrogen belongs to the 15th, and oxygen belongs to the 16th, and fluorine belongs to the 17th group, but they belong to the same period, second period. Okay, so it is a 15, 60, 15, 16, 17. When you move from left to right, atomic size decreases. Okay, so nitrogen is to the extreme left. Therefore, this has got more size. Then comes what? Next is what? 15th group. Okay, is not there. 16th is there. So it is O next. Then 17th is there. Fluorine. So nitrogen biggest. Next comes the oxygen. Smallest is the fluorine among the this combination. Okay, right. Third, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus. Phosphorus belongs to the third period. Therefore, naturally, it is having what? What? No, not this. The both sulfur and the phosphorus belongs to the what? Uh, you see the second period. But where is the position? You see no position. So position is what? Phosphorus is first, sulfur is next, because phosphorus belongs to the 15th, sulfur belongs to 16th group. So phosphorus is the largest one. Okay, then comes what? Sulfur. Why nitrogen is in the last? Because nitrogen is the first member of the 15th group, which is the smallest one. Therefore, it is comes at the end. So among the three given in the question, it is the phosphorus largest, next comes sulfur, last comes nitrogen. Depend upon what? Left to right, size should decrease. Top to bottom, size should increase. Okay, right. Give the name and electronic configuration of second alkali metal. Alkali metal is extreme left side. Members are lithium, sodium, potassium, and so on. Okay, though hydrogen is a member of first group, because of its double nature or the dual character, it is considered as belongs to both alkali metals as well as halogen family. Therefore, let us not take the one which is in the what dual nature. So excluding hydrogen, if you take lithium is the first member, sodium is the next member. What is the question here? Question is second alkali metal. So second alkali metal is a sodium. Its atomic number is 11. So configuration is 281. Okay, right. Now, what is the similarity in the electronic configuration of magnesium, calcium, and the strontium? All belongs to the what? Same family. Okay, magnesium, calcium, strontium are the members of the alkaline earth metals. That is second group of the modern periodic table, and they have the similar valence electrons. Number of valence electrons in each case equal to what? 2. So that is the similarity. Name the members of alkaline earth family, which out of them is radioactive in nature. So just now I told members of alkaline earth metals are what? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and the radium. And among these members, which is the most what? Radioactive. excuse me, it is the bottom one. Why? Because in the radium nucleus, we learn in the higher class, it is because of the proton-neutron ratio. So that is disturbing the nucleus. So disturbed nucleus will give alpha, beta, gamma radiations. Therefore, at the bottom member, that is the radium, which is the heaviest one, that is what? That is the radioactive element among the members of alkaline earth metals. Okay, right. Question number 6. The two isotopes of chlorine have atomic mass 35 unit and 37 unit. Should they be placed in separate slots in the periodic table? Here he want to ask 2 points: meaning of isotopes, okay, and the positions for the isotopes, which is not given by the Mendeleev. So that you want to check here. So okay, he want to check the knowledge what we have in the name of what? Understanding or in the application level type questions. Okay, right. So isotopes are what? Isotopes are the species of the same element having the same atomic number but a different mass number. Okay. Modern periodic table depends on what? Depends on the atomic number. Okay. Therefore, when the atomic number is same, no need to place in different slot. So both will be placed in the same slot or the position. Okay, right. Now question number 7. An element X has mass number 35 and number of neutrons equal to 18. Identify group number and period of the element X. Okay, mass number is what? 35. What is mass number? Mass number is the proton plus neutron. So P plus N equal to 35. Out of P plus N, N we know because number of neutrons is given here. So number of neutrons equal to 18. So if you take out 18 from the mass number, that will get the atom proton number. Okay. So proton number is taken as what? Proton number is taken as atomic number. Okay. Therefore, atomic number equal to 18. So when you know the atomic number, then easily we can write the electronic configuration. So because atomic number is 18, so sorry, atomic number is what? 18. What is the configuration? 35. Sorry, 35 minus 18 equal to what? 17. Okay, 35 minus 18 equal to what? 17. So electronic configuration is what? 287. So number of valence electrons equal to 7. So in which family number of electrons are 7? In the halogen family. Okay, halogen family is which number? Group number? It is 17. Okay, because we have the 3 K, L, M, 3 are there. No? So it belongs to the group period number 3. So this element X belongs to what? Group number 17, that is halogen family, and period number 3. So in this way, we will apply our knowledge what we learnt in the previous session. So I think we understood some important questions, which are these are very important, most likely questions. Okay, from exam point of view, and also from the knowledge point of view. So in the remaining session, we learn some more short answer or the long answer or the hard answer. So in our forthcoming sessions. So till then, have a nice time and keep reading. Thank you and all.